Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, greetings of virtue and may peace be upon us all. Hello, judges, and hello everyone. My name is Regina Anastasia and I'm from Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Kesehatan ISPI Banjarmasin. In this occasion, I would like to deliver my presentation in topic Organ on Chip for Accelerating Drug Discovery. This is to achieve Sustainable Development Goals number 3, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. So, let's just begin. Have you ever imagined the organs placed into the chip? Yep, the organs on the chip. But before we're talking about it, let's refer back into 2019. Remember when COVID-19 hit us for 2 years and making a real big pandemic? It's because we got infected by coronavirus, and it's really scary at that time, right? According to the data from World Health Organization, reported there are 767,984,989 confirmed cases of COVID-19 worldwide, and there are 6,943,390 people died from the virus. It's a very large number and it is alarming. I believe a question is going to pop up in your head. Why is this happened? Isn't that the World Health sector is good enough? But yeah, it is unfortunate that medical innovation in Indonesia has not progressed significantly. The main reason that this has happened is because finding the right medicine for the disease is still using the conventional methods. What was the conventional methods? So, for finding a medicine, we should pass 2 stages. It is preclinical stage and clinical stages. In the preclinical stage, we use an animal model to do the test, and it violates the animal welfare standards. It also has a high level of failure because there is an incompatibility between human and animal biology and physiology. And lastly, the clinical test takes a lot of time and money, up to 10 years, even more, and costs more than $3 billion. This is why I talk about organ on chip. So basically, organ on chip is a microfluidic culture that recapitulates or mimics organ function. How does it work? Organ on chip is designed with hollow channels lined with living cells and tissue under dynamic fluid flow, and it contains iPSC or induced pluripotent stem cells. What was that for? iPSC is the main source for supplying human cells that transform into various organs, such as brain, heart, kidney, lung, and so on. iPSC can also supply the respiratory system in our body. So iPSC helping organ on chip mimics the functional organ, so they will make a brain on chip, lung on chip, and so on. Those organ on chip will represent the entire body, specifically the lungs for the drug absorption in aerosol drug, the heart for muscle contraction, the bones for immune response, the liver for drug metabolism, the kidney for excretion, and the intestine for drug absorption in oral drugs. And right now, the development of existing chips has been upgraded to multi-organ chips. So, they're making those organs into one chip. This has really helped us for becoming a device to accelerate preclinical and clinical trials on patients. These things can precise determination of disease in patients and discovery of new drugs in a rapid period. Lastly, the organ on chip will link into deep learning systems, which the device can reading results, predict the drug toxicity, the effectiveness, efficiency, and the adverse effect of medications.